Seedingrate.ca can be the perfect tool for you to take to the field this fall. Utilize it to order your seed, to double check your seed when it actually arrives, to take out to the field to calibrate your seed drill, as well as double check your planting job after you've completed. Simply visit Seedingrate.ca and fill in some simple information. There's optional fields like grower, field, planting date, and variety. But the real important ones are your acres, seed size, all these are customizable and dynamic, target seeding rate, seed or row width, and price if you want to enter that. After you've completed that, you'll receive some excellent information, including your seeding rate. That'll be represented in pounds per acre needed, as well as seeds per foot of row if you're going to double check your job and how you've calibrated your drill. You'll also receive your total seed needed in pounds, in units, 50-pound bag units, totes and bags, or true bulk. You can also receive your seed cost per acre if you choose to enter that field. If you don't know your seed size, we have some great tools for you. You can check your guide at the time of ordering to double check your seed size, or you can click the Show Seed Size Now and see what our average seed sizes are for long term for a variety. Once you receive your actual seed, make sure you enter the real seed size that you receive. If it's 13,500, simply enter that in, and the chart will quickly change. You've got everything you need now to order your seed, but that's not the best part. You can book your seed now with C&M Seeds and your preferred dealer, or you can share your results back to yourself or another person you work with. There's more even. Go to our Fall Performance Calculator tool after you've finished seeding. There, you'll have the same information available, but you have the option to enter the bags you actually used. If you were supposed to use 11 totes and 0 bags, but you ended up using 11 totes and needed another 50 bags to finish, that will adjust your number and tell you exactly what your seeding rate was. In this particular instance, we were 106% of our target seeding rate, and we ended up seeding 1,802,250 seeds per acre. A great tool for you to double check your job and be more serious with your wheat. Works on your mobile phone, your web browser, and more. Visit Seedingrate.ca this fall and deliver more.